See an unauthorized or incorrect charge on your Chase statement. If disputing a transaction feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Today, we're disputing a charge on your Chase debit or credit card quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Chase makes it relatively easy to dispute fraudulent charges or billing errors through their online and mobile platforms. Step 1. Find the transaction. Log into your Chase account and go to your recent transactions. Find the charge you want to dispute and click on it to view details. Step 2. Start the dispute process. Look for Dispute Transaction or Report a Problem. Chase will guide you through a simple form to explain why you're disputing the charge. For fraud, they'll typically issue a temporary credit while investigating. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: act within 60 days for the strongest protection. You typically have 60 days from the statement date to dispute a charge under the Fair Credit Billing Act. The sooner you report it, the better your protection, especially for debit card disputes where timing is critical. So, just like that, you're equipped to challenge incorrect charges with confidence. Quick action on disputes goes a long way in protecting your finances. Now I'm curious, have you ever had to dispute a charge? What was the outcome? Share your experience in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm